Russia claims it just got its hands on one of America's deadliest weapons. Russia is crowing that it has recovered America's Tomahawk cruise missiles that were launched in Syria but failed to explode. Russian officials have promised that examining 2 unexploded Tomahawks would enable them in developing new jamming equipment. Russia can clearly understand what channels of communication, information, and control, navigation and range finding it has, and knowing all these parameters, they will be able to more effectively counter these cruise missiles at all stages of their combat deployment. Other experts said that the Tomahawks would yield secrets of the latest missile navigation systems. The latest Block-IV version of the Tomahawk is almost a drone, capable of loitering over a target while sending back imagery to ground controllers before being commanded to dive onto the target. It is also capable of redirected while in flight to one of 15 pre-planned targets or to a set of GPS coordinates.